Hello friends! Today we are making a beautiful lantern using wax paper and popsicle sticks. This DIY lantern is very fun to make and it keeps your home ready for the holidays. Hope you enjoy this video. If you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe. DIY Diwali lantern. Supplies I'm using are craft sticks, tissue paper, wax paper, scissors and glue, hot glue and glue sticks. We need to first cut our tissue paper into a square formed by 4 popsicle sticks. Now it's time for designing. Here we're making it in stripes of yellow and red. You can make any design you want. Next, take a sheet of wax paper. Here we're going to glue our tissue paper cutouts to make a design. This is how one side of our lantern will look like. Repeat the same steps 3 more times. We will need 4 base structures. I'm making a diya here since Diwali is coming soon. I'm using glittery glue to make a beautiful design on the diyas and the sparkle of the light. Glue the popsicle sticks on all 4 sides using hot glue to make the frame. Now we need to connect all the 4 pieces using sticky tape. Here our lantern is ready. If you want, you can make a base as well. Here our beautiful lantern is ready. DIY Fall Leaves Lantern. Supplies we're using for this lantern are wax paper, fall leaves, we're using artificial ones, craft sticks, scissors, and glue, hot glue, and glue sticks. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.